beautiful recipe. Come through into our oil. Don't knock it yet. Here we go. Little popcorn, guys. Drop some in. Give it a little stir. And we come back with the rest. Let's let that pop. Pop, pop, pop. And there it goes. We don't want our steak in too long. We just want the outside nice and crispy. Look at that. There we go. Oh, it's popping all right. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. And action. Grab that. We're gonna drop it in here. Let's get a little more. Beautiful, beautiful. One more. And here we go. Let's go ahead and chop it up. We're making some popcorn crumbs. This is nice and ready, guys. This is what we're looking for to cover our steak. Now we're gonna come over here and grab it. Like I said, we don't want it overcooked. So we pick it up and bring it right over here. Baby, this is how I like it. Nice small pieces, just a bit bigger than popcorn size. And guys, check it out. You cannot tell me that this didn't work. Look at this beauty. Nice. We're gonna go in here, cover it up, grab these pieces out, and we're gonna do the same with all the rest. Into the egg. And guess what? Here comes the popcorn. Grab it from here, and we go in there. Okay, now give it a little mix. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and grab some and fry them carefully away from you, like this. And like. Alright, let's go. Woo. Let that drip a little bit and bring it over here. And we bring out the rest of them, just like that. Woo. Baby. Check that out. Go ahead and open this up. Popcorn steak, the way it should be done. Nice. Nice and juicy, a little salt. And I'm gonna get a little bit of green. And I'll tell you what, hot sauce on this one. Beautiful. Good Lord, that's good. Whew.